Okay, guys, these are the ingredients for my stuffing. I have the stuffing mix. I have my Cajun seasoning, butter, Jiffy, mushroom, cream of celery. You can use whatever you want with the cream soup. And I bought chicken broth. Baked my cornbread. Get that all settled down. And then I add in my stuffing mix, which is real easy. I add in my cream of mushroom, cream of celery, and I did not add in egg with this. I didn't want egg in mine. And then you're going to add in your chicken broth and then add in butter. It's real easy, and just get that stirred up nice and together. Make sure it's all stirred in well. And then I'm going to add in my sage. I love sage. I don't know about you guys, but sage is my best friend. And then I add in my rotisserie chicken slices because this Thanksgiving I was not buying a whole turkey. And then you're going to put it in your oven at 350 for at least close to an hour, and voila. It was so good. It was so pretty. Oh my God, look at that, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.